1. Light pole, flag pole production line. Steel sheets decoiling, leveling and cutting line. Steel sheets bevel cutting production line. Common CNC tandem press brake. Automatic seam and weld production line. Mechanical seam machine. Semi-automatic submerged arc weld production line. Light pole straighten machine. Light pole tube bending machine. Light pole automatic polish machine. Light pole static spraying production line. Light pole head necking machine. Light pole automatic door opening machine. Light pole bottom flange automatic welding machine. 2. Electric power pole. Communication tower pole. Wind generate electricity pole production line. CNC flame. CNC flame cutting machine. Flame beveling machine. Pre-bending machine. Large common CNC tandem press brake. Big diameter gantry seam machine. Gantry straighten machine. Big diameter single arm gantry welding machine. Internal welding machine. Flange assembly machine. Automatic door opening machine. 3. Longitudinal welded pipe production line. CNC flame cutting machine. Flame beveling machine. Pre-bending machine. Large CNC tandem press brake. Big diameter gantry seam machine. Gantry external welding machine. Internal welding machine. 4. Other products. Common CNC decoiling and leveling production line. Aluminum sheets decoiling and leveling production line. Stainless steel sheets decoiling and leveling production line. 3 roller slapping machine. Large gantry press brake. 4 columns forcing press. C-type forcing press. Large spheric tank forcing press. Gantry plate leveling machine. Edge planer. Edge milling machine. Common press brake. CNC press brake. Various pieces of steel structures. Various mold and tool bit. Shear. Korea, Indonesia, Turkey, Russia, Belarus, Kazakhstan, Australia, India, Vietnam, United States, Bahrain, Iraq, UAE, Algeria, and so on. Toei will spread its products to other countries of the world by the different marketing channel. Now, the high level of quality and reliability of products and economic have been approved by users unanimously. The share of market have been over 80%, while creating value for customers, also highlighting the charm. Efficient institution assure the quality. Management system control the consistency of the quality. To a high degree of quality awareness throughout the manufacturing process. From procurement of raw materials to product manufacturing, from installation to the system detects, every segment are establishing strict quality standard and achieve effective implementation. The ISO 9000 quality system certification. Through research and development, manufacturing, quality control, service, the full quality consciousness of the whole